So today we're going to be doing magnetic block from Hiwawind, and it comes packaged like this. Where I have so many blocks in there. Are you excited to show the blocks? This magnetic block is a creative STEM toy. It will help with helping your child the way they think, helping them explore, helping them create so many things and even recognize colors. And I love that it also has built-in magnet particles that allows you to create and form different shapes in it. It's easy and to click them together, and they make a nice sound when they click together, and they will not fall apart. And you can see as the child is putting it together, they're having fun doing it. This is a wonderful cool gift idea. The edges of the block are smooth and they are right size and perfect for the child. So we're gonna create this shape, and as you see, the child is recognizing different colors and stuff, and I'm just directing how she should just put this together. Just look at the direction, and it's perfect for little ants. There's no accidents in terms of swallowing it. This is an ideal gift for a toddler and for kids like 3 or 5 year old. She created that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So if you are looking for something to get your child doing the right thing, creating different shapes, learning their colors, this is something that is good. It is also perfect for autistic children because they require a deeper understanding of structural world and self-confidence. So this allows them to be able to put it together. This is an ideal gift, an ideal toy for outdoor when you travel. It contains 30 pieces of these portable magnet blocks, and I love the fact that it can keep them busy and keep them learning at the same time. So this, in my book, is a win-win.